आप देख सकते हैं कैसे निकल रहा है। मार दिया ना।
Carbon.
हाँ ऐसे बस।
In this video, we are going to talk about bottle. What is bottle? Okay, B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. What is bottle? First of all, I will tell you that what is bottle. Do you know why bottle is called bottle? You don't know. And I am going to tell you in this video that why bottle is called bottle. So watch this video till end, okay? And then we will talk about some types, okay? Some types of bottle, okay? This video is going to be very amazing. So watch this video till end. And don't forget to like this video. Before continuing with this video, say with your heart, let's question it. I have already made a video on this topic in Hindi language, but this video is in English language to improve my English as well as your English. So if you do not have any problem with English language, then continue with this video, okay? What is bottle? Bottle is an object or narrow necked container, okay? Narrow necked container made up of clay, glass, plastic or aluminium. It is mainly used to store liquids, ठीक है? Store or transport liquids. Example: water, milk, wine, okay? These are some examples of liquids that are stored or transport with the help of bottles. So what is bottle? A narrow necked container that is mainly used to store and transport liquids, okay? So that is bottle. Now I am going to tell you that why bottle is called bottle. So listen carefully. There is a word from Old French, okay? B-O-T-E-I-L-L-E, bottle. So from there a word come bottle, okay? B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. From there a word come bottle. So that's why bottle is called bottle. You know this now, okay? Why bottle is called bottle? There is a word from Old French whose spelling is B-O-T-E-I-L-L-E, bottle. From there a word come bottle. That's why bottle is called bottle. Let us talk about some types of bottle. There are so many types of bottle and I will tell you some of them in this video. So listen carefully. First, glass bottles. The bottles that are made up of glass are called glass bottles, as simple, okay? Second, wine bottles. Bottles that are used to store wine are called wine bottles. Wine bottles are also made up of glass, okay? Third, plastic bottles. The bottles that are made up of plastic are called plastic bottles, and the production cost of plastic bottles is very low. Okay, ठीक है? Okay, the production cost of plastic bottles is low, and plastic bottles are mainly used to store or transport water. Okay, or to store what? To transport what? Bottle. Plastic bottles are mainly used to store and transport water. Okay. Fifth, aluminium bottles. The bottles that are made up of aluminium are called aluminium bottles. Example, bottle can. ठीक है? Okay, bottle can. And last type is hot water bottles. Bottle that are used to store hot liquids. Example, water, tea. Okay, you can store them in hot water bottle. Hot water bottle keeps water hot. Okay, hot water bottles are very helpful. Okay, they keeps water or any liquid hot. Okay, so these are some types of bottle. So continue. Bottle is sealed with internal stopper from inside. Okay, and external there is a bottle cap. Okay, bottle cap. External side there is a bottle cap which can be removed with the help of bottle opener. Okay, and bottles are often recycled according to recycling code. You can see the code name here and what its meaning. Okay, so these are some recycling codes. With the help of them, bottles are recycled. Okay, so this is a short video about bottle. How is the video? Please comment and don't forget to like this video before, and please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. If you have any topic that you want me to make a particular video, so please comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will see you in the next video. For then, let's question it.